Why are we doing all this?
Madam,
yes, you.
So the place will be clean and nice.
And how does that help us?
It helps us stay healthy.
Yeah, good. That too, but none of you have quite hit the point yet. There's something.
Madam.
Yes, you.
The customer.
What about the customer?
So we get more customers.
Exactly. Bottom line, the customer is the key to every successful business. Do you understand?
Yes, madam.
Why are we here? Why are we in this business? It's all about the Lucci Gucci, the Benjamins.
Madam, Ega.
Exactly. Money, sika, kudi. It's important. Okay, and who has the money?
The customer.
Who has the money?
The customer.
Great. That's why I always return to my favorite subject, customer service. You should know that the customer is always right, regardless. Do you understand?
Madam, even when they're so rude.
Especially when they're rude, as long as they pay and do not break any rules, you have no choice but to treat them like royalty. Is that understood?
Yes, madam.
Listen, you guys should know the unique role you play here. People come here because they're looking for a cure. They want to look good and feel good. It's not just physical, but also psychological. Naturally, when you look good, you feel good. So the moment a customer enters here, you treat them like royalty, period. You have no choice. Do you understand?
Yes,
Is that understood?
Yes, madam.
Thank you. Now get on with your work. I will be back. Hello.
Don't tell me you're not open.
Not open. Senator possible. We are open 24/7, especially for customers as sweet as you. Come with me. Come and feel comfortable.
You're looking good yourself.
You're looking so great.
Thank you.
Oh, Allah. Oh, don't I love you? I'll be with you shortly, okay?
Can only be one person. Yo, feet.
Oh, yeah, which? How did you know it was me?
Of course. I don't know. I can't describe it, but I know anytime when you're around me.
I like that. That's so good of you.
Anyway, what are you doing here?
To have lunch with my sweetheart. It's all covered.
Thank you. You're so thoughtful.
Let me get it from the car.
All right.
See the park? I love Ghana. That's it. Yep. This is mine.
How are you?
This is yours.
Okay.
Oh. Chinese noodle, your favorite.
Yofi. Thank you. You're so thoughtful.
Pleasure is always mine, my dear. You like it?
So spicy.
Mini you eba alo. Alo eta mama se. Member tell me any big go me. Ah. Oh Charlie, mini sani pone. Eh? Mate shilebi na passenger ni o wa mi wo nyoba. Oh. Mini ewe lololo. Eh? Ah. Adio chirebi. Hey, go.
Thank you. What to? Salam down. Abiba shop. You know Abiba shop?
Please sit down. Yeah.
Oh no, wait. How much is it?
Don't worry, just sit down. It's just 3 cedi.
3 cedis.
Exactly, yeah.
Hey, Papa, no.
Why don't you like the food? You just ate half of it.
I love it, but you know, I'm checking my weight. You know there are a lot of competitions out there.
Look, let me tell you something. You have no competitors at all. I have eyes for only you. You should just get that into your head.
So you say.
It's true. Just only you.
Excuse me, madam. Please, I'm finished with all the cleaning.
You've done with everything?
Yes, madam.
Okay. There's food in the kitchen. Serve yourself.
Oh, thank you, madam.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Yeah.
Why are you staring at him? You seem to like this one.
Oh yeah, he's got dignity. Unlike that crook Kwame Danger. You know you haven't told me the full story about him and the scams with Osofo.
Because that subject is an embarrassing one. I don't want to talk about it.
All I want to know is how you found out.
It was Mama She.
What?
Abiba. Oh. Abiba. Abiba.
This is for your ears only. The modus operandi of the Osofo gang was to isolate a victim, find every details about him, then Osofo swoops in with his revelations.
Which means, in your case, they use Kwame Danger.
Exactly. I can't just believe I was hooked-winged by these people.
You know what? Don't be too hard on yourself. You know, that was a very sophisticated ploy they used, and it can get anybody. Alright? These guys are smart.
And with grace, they used Mama She.
What? Where's Madam Abiba? Do I look like her? Do I look like Abiba? I don't cry now. Sunday school. Madam. I just want to get something for me. Some namna muhunu na nkrofo e wo mo na fofo so. Ma di ato ha se. E na me yi e shekonim ahasi.
And the involvement with Kofi Simpson.
You don't say it.
Don't respect it.
Wow.
Baby, I'll be with you soon.
Okay, dear. Please, can you get me something to drink? I'm thirsty.
And I me, Abicha, don't respect it. Me, Timmy, I didn't go meet me.
What's going on? Okay. How long have you been here?
Long enough.
Sonny, how are you?
Madam, I'm fine. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
Madam, I'm going back to school.
You are?
So I want some provisions.
Okay.
Yeah. You give me 10 tins of ideal milk.
Grace, I'll be with you soon.
Take all the time. Abiba. So I want some provisions, madam.
Okay.
Madam, you give me 10 tins of ideal milk.
Okay.
You know I prefer the ideal.
Ideal, yes.
Do you have Milo?
Yeah.
Okay, you add 2 tins of Milo and I think Cervita.
Cervita, which one of them?
The amazing.
Amazing. You still
Okay,
like that one?
So that will be
okay,
all.
I'll get them for you. Sonny, here you go. Everything is inside.
How much?
20 Ghana cedis. Okay, Sonny. Take care of yourself. Use the nutrients well and study hard for your day. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Take care of yourself, yeah? Bye bye.
Yeah.
Grace.
Abiba.
Yeah?
What were you saying to Yofi about me?
Yofi, Grace.
Something about Mama She and I. Abiba.
Grace.
Hey. Why are you tongue-tied now? Let it out. Come on, son. Let it out. They're now catching me.
Grace, you're my best friend. I don't want to be mad at you. So I would advise you leave this very, very minute.
Yeah?
Leave.
Me?
Yeah.
Me?
Yes.
Maybe you.
Grace.
Okay.
Leave.
You know? Leave. For the sake of Yofi, I'll leave. Now say, me baby you want me yes, I'm living by force. Me, come on, say me, can't you me? You know me. Say me back. Hey, I beg you. Because for Mundi Mufiasem, what? Ono banano, Mundi Mufiasem. Me do who ya pa, Abiba. Me do who ya. Ya can't pa.
Is everything alright? What was that noise about?
Yeah, it was just a noisy customer.
Remember,
Customers are always right. But with this customer, dear, I can't do anything about it.
I know that type. Anyway, I think I'm done here. So I have to take leave of you. I have to go back to the office.
Oh, baby.
Yes, I have to work.
I'll miss
I got
you.
money. Miss you too. I'll get in touch.
Okay. Call me when you get to the office.
I will.
Okay.
coffee is ready.
Coffee. Okay.
Wow. All right.
Something like milk. Oh yeah, ideal. My taste.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay.
All right.
Thank you. No. Let me have more of that.
All right.
I like milk. Ideal. Thank you.
Okay.
Sweet aroma. I'll definitely have some.
Good. It is nice. You want to taste?
Oh, yeah.
Hi, girls. Hi, baby. Everything kosher? Huh? With this coffee? Oh my dear. Smooth. Baby.
I bet you can never go wrong. I know the feeling. I hope they're doing a good job.
Yes, they are. They're very good.
Great.
Very good.
You know me. She deals with the best. Anyway, girls, if you need anything, holla. I will be downstairs. Okay. Hello? Abiba.
Mama, she come out. Come down.
She's here. I have to call you back, okay?
Missy Pierre, come down.
It's okay. Let me call you back. She's here.